Hey drivers, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share 10 amazing car repair hacks that will save you time, money, and maybe even a trip to the mechanic. Stick around till the end because Hack Top 10 is a game changer. Let's get started. Hack 1. Restore foggy headlights with toothpaste. Over time, headlights become foggy and yellowed, reducing visibility at night. Professional restoration kits can cost a lot, but here's a cheap hack. Grab some toothpaste with baking soda and a soft cloth. Apply a small amount on your headlights and rub in circular motions for a few minutes. Rinse with water, and check this out, your headlights are clear again. This works because the mild abrasives in toothpaste scrub away the oxidation. It's not a permanent fix, but it can buy you a few months before needing a professional job. Hack 2. Remove small dents with hot water and plunger. Small dents happen all the time, parking lots, shopping carts, you name it. Instead of rushing to a body shop, try this. Boil some water and carefully pour it over the dent. Then, grab a clean plunger and give it a firm pull. Many times, the dent pops right back out. This works best on plastic bumpers and shallow dents. It won't fix major damage, but for minor dings, it's a lifesaver. Hack 3. Fix paint chips with nail polish. Scratches and paint chips don't just look bad, they can cause rust if ignored. If you don't have touch-up paint, grab a bottle of clear nail polish. Just dab it on the scratch, and it'll seal the exposed metal from water and prevent rust. It's not a permanent solution, but it'll protect your car until you get proper paint. Hack 4. Remove stickers with WD-40. Ever tried to peel off a bumper sticker, only to be left with sticky gunk? Here's the hack: spray some WD-40 or even cooking spray. Let it sit for a minute, then peel it right off. No scratches, no mess. Hack 5. Check tire wear with a coin. Tires are your car's only contact with the road, so tread depth is critical. Here's a quick test: insert a coin into the tire tread. If the design on the coin is still covered, your tires are safe. But if the top of the coin is visible, it's time for new tires. This simple trick can prevent blowouts and accidents. Hack 6. Stop belt squeaks with baby powder. Annoying squeaks from your engine bay? That's usually a slipping belt. If you don't have time to replace it right away, sprinkle a little baby powder on the belt. It'll reduce friction and stop the squeak temporarily. Of course, you should replace worn belts, but this hack can save your ears on long drives. Hack 7. Extend wiper life with rubbing alcohol. Wiper blades can get dirty and streaky. Instead of replacing them immediately, wipe them down with a cloth soaked in rubbing alcohol. It removes grime, restores flexibility, and extends their life by weeks or even months. Better visibility for less money. Hack 8. Make a funnel from a plastic bottle. Need to top up oil or coolant but don't have a funnel? Don't worry. Cut the top off a plastic soda bottle, flip it upside down, and you've got an instant funnel. It saves time, prevents spills, and works for any fluid in your car. Hack 9. Prevent foggy windows with kitty litter. If your windows fog up in humid or cold weather, here's a genius hack. Fill an old sock with kitty litter and tie it up. Place it under your seat or on the dashboard. The litter absorbs moisture in the air, keeping your windows clear. Plus, it's way cheaper than buying special dehumidifier packs. Hack 10. Always carry a portable jump starter. Nothing's worse than a dead battery in the middle of nowhere. Instead of relying on someone else's car and jumper cables, invest in a portable jump starter pack. They're compact, rechargeable, and powerful enough to start your engine instantly. This hack can literally save your life when you're stuck alone on the road, and that's it. Those were 10 car repair hacks every driver should know. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, drive safe and take care of your car.